Oh, goodness.
Promise me you'd stay.
Ridiculous. Enjoy the show, ladies.
Ryan was so good, wasn't he?
You've opened the door without knocking.
That is just a movie.
You've opened the fridge without knocking. You open the fridge door much more often than you think. That's a lot of cold air lost. Knocking matters.
Right. I received that work file about work.
LG InstaView Door-in-Door lets you knock to see inside, so you can take your time deciding what you want without losing cold air. Knock twice, see inside, and keep your cool. LG InstaView Door-in-Door.